350 degree is the same as blank. Go. 350 degree Fahrenheit is the same as blank. Letter A, 120 degrees Celsius. Letter B, 175 degrees Celsius. Letter C, 230 degrees Celsius. And letter D, 425 degrees Celsius natin. Oy, maganda to, di ba? Maganda to. Na. Oh. This is unit conversion, teachers. The topic right now is unit conversion in cookery po natin. Na. It's 175. Paano mo nasabi? Di ba? Paano mo nasabi? Alright, no? So teachers, anong formula yung gamit niyo? What formula did you use? Pakilatag nga ng formula, teachers. Show me your formula para makita natin kung pareho ba tayo ng mga formula on your end right now. No? Kay dami-dami mga konsepto, teachers, ano po? Kay daming concepts tonight with regards to calculations natin. Hopefully, magkapareho po tayo ng formula na ginamit in calculating these items natin tonight. Alright, no? Sabi dito ni, sabi ni Shen, no? Sabi ni Shen, ay hindi pala. Okay. Sabi ni Shen, F minus 32 times 5 over 9. Alright, tama ba to? Reciprocity lang po. Okay? Use this formula. Degree Celsius, to convert degree Celsius, that you are given degree Fahrenheit. Teachers, always remember that get back to the degree Fahrenheit po natin, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Deducted with 32, multiplied by 5, or divided by 9. Therefore, that becomes 300. Magkano to? This is 300. Tama ba 18? Times 5 over 9 po natin. Diba? So, solving this equation, teachers, will give you an answer on letter B, 175 degrees Celsius natin. Again, we'll give you the answer of Bravo. That is 175 degrees Celsius po natin. Yun lang. Let's proceed to the next question of the night. Now, teachers, ito po yung next na tanong sa gabing ito. Ano yung ginagawa mo when you set the oven to reach its desired temperature? Oy, no? What do you do or what do you call that process when you set the oven to reach the desired temperature? Letter A, you preheat the oven. Letter B, you post-heat the oven. Diba? Letter C, you prolong the heat of the oven. Letter you increase the heat of the oven. Okay. Sir, bakit nga ba yung sagot dito is preheating the oven? Di ba teachers, ito po yung nasa mise en place. Di ba? Yan po yung nasa mise en place po natin. In preparing baking, in preparing cakes, in preparing breads po natin, the very first mise en place to follow is always letter A. Preheat the oven. No? Preheating is the very first procedure in preparing breads and cakes. What is the reason behind it? Bakit nga ba kailangan nating i-preheat yung oven natin, teachers? First and foremost, even cooking or even baking. Tama? No? Even baking yung pinaka-reason natin dito. Pangalawa, tama yung tabi ni Team Ams. No? To acquire the desired amount of heat. At pangatlo, time efficiency. No? Bakit po teachers? In preheating the oven, you can reduce the overall cooking time dito. Bakit po sir? Kasi po mainit na po yung oven po natin habang ikaw ay nag-prepare ng inyong mga gamit and while you are doing the mixture process natin dito ngayon. Am I correct? Diba? Therefore, teachers, the correct answer here is walang iba kundi si letter preheat the oven po natin. Okay, galing ah. Shout out sa ating mga viewers from the Facebook Live po natin at yung mga Zoom Live po natin tonight. Ito yung tanong, next question of the night. Let me check if naalala nyo pa yung tanong na to. Sir, the total board foot of 5 pieces of 2 inches by 6 inches by 14 feet lumber is magkano? Or ilan? Sorry. No? Ilan ang total board foot of 5 pieces of 2 by 6 by 14 lumber? Di ba board feet, teacher? Ito po yung volume of wood po natin. Now, what is the total board foot of a 5 pieces 2 by 6 by 14 lumber? Ay, gusto kong tanungan na to tonight ah. Di ba? 70 board feet? Are you sure? 70 board feet siya, letter C. Ha? Show me your formula, bakit 70 board feet nga to? Diba? Prove it to me, bakit siya 70 board feet? What's your formula here? Diba? Ito po yung tawag nating length. No? Ah, sorry. It's the, ayan, times, ayan, diba? Over 12 po, sir. Ito po yung formula po natin. Ano po? No? T times the W times the L, or the length po dito divided by 12, where in fact we were given 2. Diba? Times 6 times 14 divided by 12. Osh, cancel to, sir. 14 na lang yung natira. Kasi po na-cancel po yun sila. However, hindi po lang 14 dahil po imumultiply nyo po siya on the number of pieces. Therefore, kung 14 multiplied by 5, you will be receiving an answer of letter C, Charlie, 70 board feet po natin. What if, teachers, the total board feet of 5 pieces of 2 by 6 by 14 lumber is blank and each board feet costs 20 pesos? Again, each board feet costs 20 pesos. How much is the total cost of the board foot? Again, the total board foot of 5 pieces of lumber is 2 by 6 by 14 and each board foot costs 20 pesos. What is the total price of the wood? Very good. Si 70 total board foot, i-multiply nyo po lang siya by 20 pesos and you will receive an answer of 1,400 pesos, the total amount of the board foot ng ating kahoy po natin. Nakuha po ba?